This review is of Functional Formularies Nourish, an original formula organic whole foods meal replacement. Tree, nut-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, non-GMO, BPA-free packaging, corn-free, no added sugar, not a low-calorie food, USDA organic, and no gluten. That's a lot of good stuff. Certified organic by Oregon Tilth. It undergoes regular nutritional analysis and lab testing. Blah, 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 blah. So that's good. Let's see if there's anything else. Here's the story of their whatever. Ingredients. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Ready to use. Not intended and cannot be used for parenteral or intravenous feeding. One pouch has got 17 grams of fat, of which 2.5 are saturated, no trans fats, no cholesterol, 390 milligrams of sodium, 50 grams of carbs, of which 7 are dietary fiber, 8 grams of sugar that are not added, and 14 grams of protein. And the ingredients. Nice. Looks pretty good for health. Let's give it a try. All right. My glass looks really dirty from that angle. It doesn't look really dirty from my angle, but I don't know. It is clean. It's just a little bit weird. So it's time to give this a try. Because I'm a hungry man. All right. A little bit gritty. Kind of has the taste of peas to it. So while it will probably appease my appetite, it is not particularly wonderful tasting. Yeah. This is not going to win any awards for tastiness. But for healthfulness, I would say, yeah, definitely. Yeah. But, you're going to have to change your standards in order to truly appreciate this product. Just because it is a little bit gritty and a little bit odd tasting. Taste-wise, I'll give it a 5. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day.